Hello guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today again we are here to talk about another topic from operators in Kotlin. So let's see what is assignment operator in Kotlin. In here, as per its definition, you can see assignment operators in Kotlin are used to assign values to variables. It means when we are declaring our variable, when we want to assign some value into our variable, we can use from assignment operators. Some of assignment operators also perform mathematical operations that we can see in here. We have bunch of other assignment operators that we are going to assign value plus perform some mathematical operations. As we can see in here, we have list of assignment operators in our table. See a bunch of assignment operators. The first one, we have simple assignment operators that it is only equal to. It means this symbol means to assign a value into our variable. When we are declaring our variable, then we can assign a value into our variable. For that, we are using this simple assignment operators. But if we want to add some number to our variable that which is having some previous numbers already assigned to our variable, but we can add some numbers into our variable. In here we have addition assignment operator. The symbol is plus equal to that we can use to assign a new value and add a new value to our variable. Same, we have other assignment operators like minus equal to for subtraction assignment. For multiplication assignment, we have asterisk equal to for multiplying some new value into our variable that we had. Division assignment we have here, and modulus assignment that we can perform these mathematical operations with assignment operators. So in here we have example of assignment operators that you can clearly understand what is happening in here. These three last portion of our table, we can see the example and outputs, and in here we can see that these are equivalent to these mathematical operations. We have simple assignment operators, which is the example that I have given for you. A is equal to 10 for assigning 10 into A. And in here, this is already having 10. By using plus equal to assignment operator, we can add a new number which is 5 into our 10. A is 10 in here, and we can add 5 into it, and the result or output we can say it is 15. This operation is equal to this mathematical operation. A is equal to A plus 1. Actually, A is 10. It means 10 is equal to 10 plus 5, and the result will be 15. The next one, we have A minus equal to 3, that we are subtracting that 15 that we have already assigned in previous example. So it is equal to A minus 3. The result will be 12 because we are subtracting 3 from 15. It will be 12. So in here, same to our previous example, A asterisk or multiply symbol we can use with equal to 2. 12 equal to 12 multiplied by 2. The result will be 24. In here we are dividing by the symbol. A division operator that we are division symbol that we are using in here, forward slash equal to 4, that it means A is equal to A divided by 4, which is 6. The result will be 6. In here, same for modulus, I have used the modulus symbol presentation that is percentage symbol and equal to 5. It means A is equal to, which is 6. A is equal to A modulus symbol and 5. The result will be 1. Don't worry, I will perform some other examples. I will make you understand, guys, what is happening in assignment operators with more examples in our demo section. So see you guys in demo section. Now in demo section of our video, I have already created a project name assignment example. You can also do that by going file under new. You can click on project to create your project. Now in here, to give you more examples about what is assignment operators and how we can work with them by giving practical examples. Now, what I will do is I'll declare a variable a. I'll assign 10 to this variable by using simple assignment operator, which is equal to. You can see in here. What I will do is in here, I'll print this to check in console what will happen. A is, I'll print the value of a. Let's run. As you can see in console, a is 10. I have successfully printed the value that we have assigned by using simple assignment operator. In here, I have assigned 10 and I have printed 10 after assignment. Okay, now let's go to other examples. I will use from addition assignment and I will assign and add a new value into our a. Now I will write a and I will use from addition assignment plus equal to 5. It is equivalent to this mathematical operation that we are having a equal to a plus 5. It is same, but by using addition assignment we can add a new number into our previous value that we are already having inside a. So let's print this after addition. After addition, let's print the value of a. So let's run code. As you can see in here, the result of the result of our program that we have successfully added a new number, which is 5, into our previous number, which was 10, into a variable. So let's write some more examples by using subtraction assignment. Again, a minus equal to. This is subtraction assignment that we are using to subtract some number from our previous number, which was 15, inside our a variable, and it is equivalent to a equal to a minus 3. So let's print the output now after subtraction. It is, I think, I'll print the value of a to see the changes, what will happen in our console. Let's run our code now. As we can see, a after subtraction is 12, that we have subtracted 3 from a, which was 15. Now let's see the example for multiplication assignment. Again, a asterisk equal to multiplying some new number, which is 2, to our variable that we are having in here. It is equivalent to a equal to a multiplied by 2. Let's print our a variable in here to see the changes after multiplication. A after multiplication. Okay, let's print the variable a after changes. Now, as we can see, after multiplication is 24, that we have multiplied by 2. A was 12 in here, we have multiplied by 2. The result is 24. Now we can write an example for division assignment. Again, a / for division assignment and equal to symbol. We will divide it by 2, or we can divide it by 4 to be much more clear. Okay, it is equivalent with a equal to a divided by 4. Okay, let's print using from println function. Okay, now a after division, let's print the value of a to see the changes in our console. Let's run it. Okay, the division is 6. After a after division is 6. Now for, let's see the example for modulus. Again, a, the percentage symbol and equal to for modulus assignment. Okay, it is equal to a modulus 2. Let's 3 in here. It is 3 for performing modulus assignment operator, and let's print this before running. Okay, let's print a after modulus. Okay, variable a to see what is the value for a right now, our console. Okay, the a after modulus is 0, which will be 0. So we have worked with all of assignment operators. Here was clear examples about each one of them. Hope you guys understand what is assignment operators, and in next sessions also we will work with assignment operators, and we will explain each and everything in our code that will happen, and every day you will get more and more clear with assignment operators and how to use them in your program to make ease your programming. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel, and see you in the next one.